this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we can see that we do have that nice backup camera right there. And taking a look at the side, we do have mud flaps on rear tires. And moving to the front here, we do have those two tow hooks for all your towing necessities, that license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 people pretty comfortably, with this being the additional 6th seat. And if you need a little extra storage space, you can always lift the seats up for extra space. On each seat, we do have this nice gray cloth interior, as well as in the door, we do have a fair bit of storage space. Taking a look inside, we do have 2 USBs, as well as a 12-volt outlet and a little bit of storage right there. Taking a look at the driver's side, we can see these seats are manual and have the same cloth interior that we saw in the back. We do have 2 additional cup holders right here. Lifting it up, we have a fair bit of storage right there. And lifting this up, you do have that 6th additional seat, as well as storage under the seat for whatever you find necessary. Moving to the door, we do have a fair bit of storage as well as a nice little cup holder right there. Taking a look inside the vehicle now, we can see the odometer is sitting at 25,360 kilometers. Now moving to the steering wheel, you have your volume control, your phone and voice control, as well as your cruise control and your toggle for your screen up here, which you can then go through your display, trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and other settings. Looking to the side here, we do have 2 USBs, another 12-volt outlet, a little cubby right there, your trailer backup assist, as well as your 4-wheel drive. You have your climate control right there, as well as your volume control there, another 12-volt outlet there, and your main screen, you have your audio settings, your phone settings, any apps you may have downloaded, and your actual settings, such as phone, general. You do have a Wi-Fi hotspot with this, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. We have our traction control, as well as our hazards and our auto stop and auto start. You do have a fair bit of storage in the dash over here, which is pretty nice. The stock number for this vehicle is B7548, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.